Hello and welcome. In this demo, I'll show you how InkFlow's AI generates UGC-level content for all your writing needs. That sounds like you, not a robot. Magically turn any URL, YouTube video, or just a keyword into UGC level: email, ebook, blog, social media post, ads, SEO, sales copywriting, video script, quiz and polls, research, and more. Without further delay, let's dive in. This is the InkFlow dashboard. Here you can see the total number of projects you've created and total workspace. Customers only VIP training to help you get started. Quick links for easy navigation, and below that you can find favorite projects. At the top left, you'll find the workspace section, where you can view all your workspaces or add a new one. On the bottom right, there's a language option to switch the entire software to your preferred language. Now, let's create your first project. Let's create an email campaign using InkFlow AI. Click on Email, then Create New. Enter a reference name for your email. Select the email type from available categories. Enter a URL, YouTube video, or any web content to use as inspiration. This is one of InkFlow's most powerful features. If you like the writing style of a specific article or post, simply paste the URL. InkFlow will analyze and learn from it, then generate similar and better content for you, 100% unique and copyright-free. Now, you have two options. Wizard, quick and easy, just fill in a few details and let AI do the rest. Keynote, more control for those who prefer detailed inputs. We'll go with Wizard mode for now. Fill in the details and hit Generate. Your email is ready. You can modify it to suit your needs. Add AI-generated or stock images. Adjust links, sections, tone, style, and length with simple edits. Save and schedule your emails directly from the dashboard. With one-click scheduling, you can set up your entire email campaign in advance, saving you hours every week. Or you can copy and download the email in your preferred format. Once saved, you'll be taken to the listing page where you can modify it anytime, mark it as a favorite, or choose from various actions. Next, creating and publishing blog posts. Let's create a blog post. Click on Blog, then Create New. Name your blog and select a category. Enter a URL or YouTube video. InkFlow will convert the content into a fully formatted blog post. This is a major advantage for affiliate marketing, SEO, and product reviews. By leveraging high-ranking content, you can boost your blog's visibility without spending years on research. Hit Generate, and in seconds, your 100% unique and plagiarism-free blog post is ready. Update images, links, and formatting. Download or schedule your post directly. Publish to Blogger and social media in one click. You are now on the blog listing page, where you'll find the Action button. Click on the Share button to instantly publish your blog post on Blogger and various social media platforms. Now, let's preview the blog. It's optimized and ready to go. You can do same for the rest of the writing style.